Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install RStudio. So let's get started. For this, you'll need to have any web browser. I'm going to make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type RStudio download and press enter. You'll get the second link, download RStudio. You need to select accept all. This is the official website from where you can download the RStudio IDE. We'll scroll down and click on download RStudio. So before we install RStudio desktop, we'll need to install R programming language. To install R, you need to select download and install R. You need to select the operating system. So download R for Windows. Click on base. Then select download R for Windows. This is going to download the setup file for R. So once it is downloaded, click on open. You get a pop-up, select yes. Click on OK. Click on next. Over here, you can select the path where you want this R programming language to get installed. Click on next. Keep all this checked. Click on next and click on next. Then click on next again. So R is basically a programming language and a software environment used for data analysis, data visualization, statistical modeling, machine learning, data manipulation. So this setup is going to install R on Windows. Now click on finish. Now let's go back. Now we are done with our step 1, that is installation of R. Now we will click on install RStudio. Click on the download RStudio desktop for Windows. This will download the RStudio setup file. So RStudio is basically an integrated development environment for R. It provides a user-friendly interface to write and run RStudio code efficiently. It includes a script editor with syntax highlighting, a console for running R commands, tools for plotting, debugging, and managing packages, a workspace viewer for managing datasets and variables. So RStudio setup has got downloaded. Click on open. You'll get a pop-up, select yes. I'll just minimize the screen. Okay. Now this is RStudio desktop setup. Click on next. You can change the directory if you want, but I would recommend go with the default one. Click on install. Now this setup will install the RStudio on Windows. RStudio setup is completed now. I'll click on finish. So to start R, you can double click on this desktop icon. This is the R console where you can type the R code and execute. I'll just click on exit. Now to start the RStudio, you need to click on Windows search and type RStudio. This is the desktop icon. You need to click on open. Select use for machine default 64-bit version of R. Click on OK. This is how the RStudio looks. Click on no. Now this is the interface for RStudio. On the left hand side, you get the console screen and the terminal window. You can also check the background jobs. 3 tabs are available. Over here on the left side, you can type your R code. Then on the right hand side, there is a window for environment, history, connections, tutorial. And on the bottom right side, you get the tabs for the file. You can browse your existing files, plots, packages. You can maintain the packages. help window, viewer, and presentation screen. That's how the RStudio looks. I'll close this for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thank you.